Today we're gonna show you how to clean a two-stroke carburetor. Okay, first thing you do is you flip it over and you take a Phillips screwdriver and you take these 4 screws off. Okay, cool. After you have that done, then this should pop right off. And then here's your diaphragm. You want to make sure if this is soft. Oh yeah, definitely. So you set that aside. And then you take your socket wrench and you take this little nut off right here. You take your little orange goldish shaded screw. Okay, you want to make sure nothing falls out. There's a spring and a needle right here, so you can see. Okay, so here's your spring. Set that to the side. And then here's your needle. And then your seat's in there. Okay. So now you want to hit that with some carb cleaner all in there and right here. I guess we could take this off if you want to put some carb cleaner inside the carb. Okay, so here are your high and low screws, okay? This one's your low and this is your high. This you can tell because there's an H right there. You turn these screws in until they're completely in. So the high one is half, 1. About 1 and an 1/8. Okay, so you know that's 1 and an 1/8 out. So now you can just take this screw right out. So then you can spray a little carb cleaner in there. Okay. Then don't lose this washer. This washer just came out. It's a little gold washer. So don't lose that. And make sure you know which screw went in where. So now we've got to count this one. Half. So about 3/4, I guess. 3/4 out. So now you just unscrew that. A little less than 3/4, I would say. See, mine's gonna sit right in there, so I'm gonna keep that in there. See the little gold washer? Okay. So now let's hit that with some carb cleaner. Right there, in there, through there. Let it sit 5-10 minutes. And blow it out with your air compressor. And then we'll put it all back together. So I'm gonna spray mine real quick. Okay, so we just sprayed it with some carb cleaner. So now we take our high fuel adjustment screw and put that in. Okay. And then we take our low fuel adjustment screw and tighten that down. Now you want to screw these all the way in. And then back them out what you said earlier. So for me, my high was 1 and an 1/8. So there's half, there's 1, there's an 1/8. Okay. Then this one, the low was, I think, a little less than 3/4. Okay, so half, I think it was right around there. So we take our seat here, put your needle in, the skinny side down, push that down, then get your spring here, put that right on top of the top of the needle, like that. Now just slip it in. Here, bottom of the carb, like that. Twist that. until it's tight. And then your diaphragm. Just like that. Get the 4 little screws. Put them into place. Okay, now fasten them down. And then finally, and now you're done.